want to treat yourself to a luxurious spa experience, this whipped creamy Shea Cocoa Body Butter Mix is the solution for sensitive skin. It's perfect for all skin types, especially those looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It nourishes, hydrates, and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, supple, and radiant. Way to pamper yourself at home. With natural ingredients like shea butter is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that helps to moisturize, nourish, repair, and protect the skin from damage. Likewise, the cocoa butter contains antioxidants that helps to reduce the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps to protect the skin against UV rays and free radicals. So go ahead and order your shea and cocoa butter now. Treat yourself to this divine body butter and enjoy the luxury of a relaxing spa experience in the comfort of your own home.